What's up guys? Today I have a JBL Charge 4 that we're going to be looking at. It's a Bluetooth portable speaker with 20 hours of playtime and it's waterproof. So if you've ever had a portable speaker by JBL, you'll know that these are, in my opinion, these are the best portable speakers you can get. They're rugged, they can be classy, they sound great, and they're just really good quality. So first off, we're just gonna check out the box and the specs real quick on the back. So dare to listen. On the back, we have main features. So you get 20 hours of playtime, IPX7 waterproof. It's a power bank, so you can charge your phone from the speaker itself. It has a USB port. JBL Connect Plus, which is where you can connect over 100 JBL speakers that have Connect Plus, and they will all play at the same time. Kind of explains Connect Plus here on this side. And then on the bottom here, we have some more technical specifications. It's a little bit hard to see, but right here's the frequency response range, and that is 60 Hertz to 20,000 Hertz. Alright, let's go ahead and open this guy up. On the inside, play and charge endlessly. I love JBL's presentation. It is so nice, so colorful, just very vibrant. And here's the speaker itself. I went with the dark blue color. So we'll go over this in just a second. Let's see what else is in the box. It's pretty simplistic here. You got USB Type-C charging cable. Props to JBL, they switched to USB Type-C charging. You got your quick start guide. Hey guys, sorry for this brief interruption. I just wanted to let you guys know that I started my own vlog channel. It's called Nathan Winter Vlogs, and if you guys want to go check it out, that would be awesome. There'll be a link in the description to go to my channel and subscribe if you want. That's all I have to say, so let's get back to the video. For the speaker itself, we have this fabric-y grill that's water resistant. On the side, they switched this to like a rubber now. It's got a rubber feel to it, so it's not hard in comparison to the JBL Flip 4, which is the red one here. This is plastic, this is rubbery, and here's a little size comparison of the two. So the charge is definitely bigger. It's going to be louder, it's going to have deeper bass because of that frequency response going down to 60 Hertz. As you can see, branding on the back, Charge 4. When you open this little flap, you have your USB charging, an auxiliary port, and then USB Type-C to charge the speaker. On the bottom here is just a little rubber stand to stop your speaker from rolling around. And then you have battery indicator lights right here, power button, Bluetooth button, volume up, volume down, JBL Connect Plus, and play and pause. So as you can see, there's a little light for Bluetooth pairing. That's the battery life. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. Just a quick little unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. I will be posting a review video on this to go more in detail about how it sounds and how it compares to the JBL Flip 4. So if you want to see that video, make sure to click the link in the corner here, go to my channel, and check out my other videos, and most importantly, make sure to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.